बहुत ही अच्छा था,
बहुत मजा आया और बहुत
स्पेशली द मैंग्रोव एरिया बहुत अच्छा दिखाया
और बहुत अच्छी फोटोग्राफी करी हमने,
Yes.
बहुत अच्छी बर्ड्स भी देखी.
Thank you.
Priyansh, how was it for you?
Say nicely.
Say
Thank you.
nicely. How was it?
Nice.
It was fun.
It was fun.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wonderful. Thank you very much.
Very, very nice.
Very nice.
Experience. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hey, I'm here with Rajesh and I'm enjoying the Mangrove River here. So it's really great and well, you can see it here. There's some good places to show you. So if you want to have a good time here at Puva River, I think. I'm still struggling with the names, then feel free to get in contact with him. He can give you a proper great tour.
Hello guys.
Hi guys. It was very nice experience here in Trivandrum. Backwaters I really recommend. Kayaluram boat service.
We enjoyed the roads. It was a very nice trip. The weather is very nice. The view is very nice.
That we take a lot of
Enjoyed it.
pictures and videos. Come with your friends, family. Enjoy the ride.
Thank you.
Hello everybody, so today we are doing the Kayaluram backwater cruise and I would like to really recommend this cruise, especially with Mr. Rajesh. It's an amazing cruise. He takes you throughout the whole river and he shows you throughout the whole sites with explaining and talking about the places, showing you the features of this very nice and beautiful foresty river, and I really recommend it. You get the best service and best treatment.
Sure. Good job, Rajesh.
See you.
Thank
job.
you.
See you Kayaluram backwater tour.
Hi, so we had an amazing experience with this Kayaluram cruise and with Rajesh sir, and I think you guys should also visit here. He gave you the best experience ever, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Rajesh sir, for showing us.
It was an amazing day. Thank you. Good place. So we are here on Kayaluram Backwater cruise, and we have had a very our guide was very nice. He was very humble and explained everything with patience, and we saw different areas of this particular place, and the areas were like Mother Mary statue, then Golden Sand Beach, and then what else? Astery, which is connecting the river water connecting with the sea. That's called an astery. This is also we got to know from him, and yeah, it was a great experience. And it is also very cheap because the other boat which our guide told us to book, it was really expensive. It was 3,500 and above, but this one we got for very less. So yes, you can choose this boat if you want to explore Puva Beach. Thank you.
Kayaluram backwater cruise is awesome. 5 star.
ഹായ് ഹലോ, ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ കായലോരം ബാക്ക് വാട്ടർ ക്രൂസിന്റെ ഒരു റൈഡ് പോയിരുന്നു. ഒന്നും പറയാനില്ല, വളരെ നന്നായിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. നിങ്ങൾ എല്ലാവരും പൊഴിയൂർ പൂവാർ ആ ഭാഗത്ത് വരുന്നെങ്കിൽ കായലോരം വിസിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് 100% ഷുവറിറ്റിയാണ് ഇത് പൊളിക്കും. സോ ഡോണ്ട് മിസ് ഇറ്റ്. താങ്ക് യു.
Fantastic trip, fantastic journey, and Kayaluram backwaters.
Big yes.
Thumbs up.
Very nice.